Hello there, beautiful one. My name is Kim Ruwa. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm glad you're here. Today, I would like to share some Reiki healing with you. I have been a Reiki master the last couple of years within the Usui Shiki Irioho lineage. And Reiki, to summarize it in just a few phrases, is universal healing energy that comes through me or any practitioner that you might be working with through the hands and into your body. If I were to give you a live session, I would be placing my hands gently on your body or slightly away from your body, and this healing energy would just be flowing through my hands and going to wherever it is needed on a physical, emotional, mental, or spiritual level. Now, we're on YouTube, so I'm going to be sending this energy to you through distance, across time, space, and dimensions to your energy field. And the only thing you need to do is just relax. I will guide you. Just listen to my voice. I am seated here today in the beautiful Australian nature because I thought it would be nice to give you a little bit of a nature immersion as well, where I'm usually in my living room in Amsterdam. So I invite you to start getting comfortable in either a seated position or a laying down position, and just asking yourself, how can I get 2% more comfortable? That might be by adding an extra cozy blanket onto your body, maybe an eye pillow, maybe it's warm where you are, just putting up the airco or opening up a window or something else. Just make this space as comfortable as possible. And once you're in that coziness, closing down your eyes and taking 3 really, really, really deep breaths. Holding briefly at the top, breathing out, and repeating that twice more. It is very normal that Reiki brings things up to the surface. So if you get emotional, if you start feeling tingles or jitters or something in your body, that's okay. Just breathe to those spaces and allow the healing to happen. I invite and invoke Great Spirit, God, Goddess, Cosmos, Universe to open up this healing space for you, for whoever's watching this. Doesn't matter how many times, we're always going to open this sacred space. I ask that Spirit envelop you in a beautiful golden bubble of light in which you can be seated, laying down in total trust and total openness to receive this healing in the best possible way. I ask that I be a clear, crystalline channel for this energy to flow through me and into your energy bodies. Feeling how your body just relaxes onto the chair, onto the mat, onto your bed, wherever you are. And becoming more and more open. I invite all the Reiki angels, Reiki guides, our spirit guides, the animal kingdom, the plant kingdom, and your higher self. Activating the Reiki energy in my hands. And imagining that I'm there with you in your space. And placing one hand just above your belly button on your solar plexus. And I connect with you, with your body, with your energy. I invite you to tune into your heart space and to ask what it is that you need today. What is your intention for this healing? And when something comes up, repeating that word or phrase 3 times in your mind's eye. And if nothing comes up, perhaps it's an openness that you're inviting today. Allowing your intention to radiate out from your heart all the way down to the tips of your toes, tips of your fingers, and the top of your crown. And allowing the Reiki energy to start to flow into your field. Relaxing deeply. And briefly scanning your body from the bottom of your feet all the way up to the top of your head, and seeing if there's any specific body parts that you wish to gift this healing energy to. And simply with your intention, bringing those spaces into your consciousness, the Reiki goes there, bringing peace, love, harmony, relaxation. Allowing your breath to slow down. And to flutter your heart open just a little bit further. You may notice a light or a tingling, a color. Everybody receives the Reiki in a different form. And this energy moves through your body, touching every part of you. Every bone, every vein, every cell. We are divine creatures. We are made up of this divine energy. And all of us can tap into this energy ourselves, yet sometimes our head gets in the way. And that's when the support of someone like me can be really helpful. Through your crown, you connect high up into the skies, into cosmic energy. And a shower of blessings starts to trickle down into your body. From your sitting bones, from the bottom of your spine, you root deeply into the earth. Just like I'm sitting here on the grass, connected to Pachamama, Mama Gaia. And she, our great mother, only wishes us to feel vital, full of vitality, full of aliveness, full of joy and love. So she too brings up an incredibly beautiful, sparkly energy that rushes through our body. And any misaligned energies, any discomforts, any dis-ease, any toxins, any limiting thoughts or patterns are just gently pushed out, given back to the cosmos, given back to the earth, whichever way is fastest. And with that, we create space in ourselves for light, for energy, for aliveness. For that is our birthright, dear one. We're here to dance through life, to walk, to jump, to run, to embrace, to be. Deep sigh, full body breath. Opening up just a little bit further. Surrendering to the Reiki, to the cosmic and earthly energies. Letting go of those burdens, the heaviness that you might have been carrying for years, for decades. It is no longer yours to carry. Let it go. Come back to your flow, come back to your center. And it is in these moments when we create this space that our voice, our inner voice, our intuition can come through more strongly, can guide us in the most small ways from what to drink or eat today, and also which path to take, left, right, or center, whether this job suits us, whether that project is for us, whether this person or opportunity. Our heart knows, our gut knows. Yet with many distractions, toxic energies, toxins, limiting beliefs and patterns, that voice just becomes a little less loud. Noticing how the flow of light through your body increases with every breath. You are so beautiful, so incredible. I see you. I deeply see you. And I wish for you to see yourself and to love yourself so deeply that you're automatically brought back into alignment. Taking a couple of deep breaths. Letting go of any final residual energies. Effortlessly allowing them to flow back to the earth, up into the sky. As we bring this Reiki healing to a completion. I give gratitude to the Reiki guides and angels and to my vessel for allowing this energy to come through. Once more imagining that I'm in the room with you or in your space, I place my hand on your solar plexus in gratitude, in love, and compassion. I could disconnect my hand from your body and disconnect from your energy field. I ask that anything that's scattered out into the field but that you still need, that comes back crystalline and purified now. Anything that you no longer need, that goes back crystalline and purified to the light. If aligned, I ask for this Reiki healing to be programmed the next 7 nights, 2 hours after you sleep, to run again. If that feels aligned, just say yes, please, out loud or in your mind's eye. If not, just say no, thank you. Starting to bring your consciousness back to your body, feeling the blanket on your skin, the clothes you're wearing, the beating of your heart in your chest, the up and down movement of your belly as you breathe. And starting to notice the sounds around you. Becoming aware of your space. And then tuning into the body, noticing if anything has shifted. If any discomfort or dis-ease has softened, if perhaps a lightness has come in. And then ever so gently, starting to come back, fluttering your eyes open, and coming back here to the screen. It's very normal that things came up to the surface. Reiki detoxifies the body, so I recommend that you drink plenty of water or herbal tea, that you cook yourself a nice, nourishing meal, that you go out into nature, have a nice bath or a shower, or simply do the things that you know are good for you, prioritizing yourself as the king or queen that you are. If you have any questions or any comments, always feel free to just pop them in the comments of this video. Give this healing a like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to receive more of these types of journeys. Thank you so much for your presence. I wish you a beautiful day, afternoon, or evening, and I send you my blessings. Thank you so much. Much love.